We've written many love letters to hot air brushes for their state-of-the-art ability to dry and style our hair in one go, getting us out the door quicker and leaving our strands looking smooth and lustrous. Although these time-saving beauty tools were once novel, there are now dozens of options out there promising to bring us life-changing results, so we put 5 of the most popular options up to the test to determine which ones practiced what they preached. Number 5. Lopi 4-in-1 Hair Dryer Brush. Hair dryer, straightener, curling iron, and comb all in one for styling and drying hair in one step. The oval barrel design and 360 degrees wraparound air allow for greater shaping of your hair, allowing you to create a satisfying look in less time. The ceramic titanium barrel hairdryer brush distributes heat evenly to help reduce hair damage and tame frizz. The hair dryer brush releases negative ions 360 degrees to nourish damaged hair, reduce split ends and static electricity, and make hair smoother and shinier. Nylon pins and tufted bristles add extra lift at the roots to effectively prevent tangles and give your hair more smoothness and fullness. The cool tip and ergonomic handle make it more comfortable and easy to use. Equipped with 3 heat, speed settings with cooling option settings, you can flexibly meet your different styling needs. Whether your hair is long, short, straight, curly, thin or thick, the blow dryer brush can create gorgeous styling results for you quickly. Number 4. LPSTEA. Max drying power with less frizz and helps reduce hair damage, gives your hair a smooth, silky, natural lustrous look by sealing the hair cuticles. Non-detachable oval brush design designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, smooth and make hair shinier. 3. Heat, speed settings with cool option. This product complies with US safety requirements and has ETL certification. ALSI plug 1200W power with power failure protection provides just the right amount of heat, in addition to overheating protection, and is STD-UL 859 compliant. This unit will only work with 120-volt US outlets. The ceramic coating protects your hair from overstyling with even heat distribution that penetrates hair quickly from the inside out for less damage. Clean air inlet regularly. Remove hair from the brush after every use and do not wrap cord around the unit. The bristle area will be hot. Please don't touch this area when applying the brush. Don't use the brush in water or other liquids. Please do not use it when your hands are wet. Number 3. Hot tools. Quick, even heat and charcoal-infused bristles mean you can achieve beautiful blowouts with ease, in a fraction of the time. The versatile oval brush design has gently curved sides created to smooth hair, while the rounded edges help craft volume from the roots down to beautifully curled ends. Helps maintain a neutral charge on the hair's surface, leaving the hair looking conditioned and smooth, while helping reduce frizz and static. Complete with a rotating temperature control and 2 heat, speed settings providing ultimate styling control. Fast styling, great results for all hair types. The lightweight design and soft touch finish provide a relaxed grip. Equipped with an 8 feet, professional cord giving you free range of movement and all the reach you need. Hot Tools' heritage is rooted in the professional community. We're proud we've been a trusted, stylist-recommended brand since we began in 1990. Number 2. Revlon. Revolutionary styling tool that puts the power of a dryer and precision of a styler in your hands. The large paddle design runs through your hair to detangle, dry, and smooth hair in up to half the time. Negative ions saturate the airflow. This helps condition, smooth and make hair shinier, while reducing frizz and static. 1100 watt of drying power. 2 heat, speed settings for styling flexibility with cool option. Professional 6 feet swivel cord. Large paddle design and flexible pad dries and smooths hair quickly for added styling comfort. Number 1. Revlon. The Revlon One-Step Volumizer 1.0 Original is a designed hairdryer plus hot air brush to deliver gorgeous volume and brilliant shine in a single step. The unique non-detachable oval brush design smooths hair while the rounded edges quickly create volume at the root for beautifully full-bodied bends at the ends in a single pass. The brush is designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improve volume and control. Styling flexibility is guaranteed with 3 heat, speed settings and a cool option. Built to provide just the right amount of heat. Unlike conventional hairdryers, this volumizer can be placed closer to the scalp for lift. Boosted by ionic technology, hair dries fast and helps reduce heat damage. The one-step unit is designed for 120 volts USA outlets only. We do not recommend use of a voltage adapter or converter, as it will damage the unit. Note wattage will vary depending on the location of use.